Okay, so welcome back. So sa lab na to, solve natin tong URL-based access control can be circumvented. So this website has an authenticated admin panel at /admin, but a front-end system has been configured to block external access to that path. However, the back-end application is built on a framework that supports the X-original header. So to solve the lab, access the admin panel and delete the user Carlos. So let's access the lab. And here, we can see na meron tayong admin panel kagad dito. No? So, if we try and click this, sinasabi sa atin, access denied. So, try natin yung sinabi sa atin kanina. No? So, let's intercept the request to go to the admin panel. So, let's turn intercept on. And click the admin panel. No? So, makikita natin, pupunta siya sa get/admin, no? So let's send this to repeater and let's investigate more, no? So, pag pumunta lang tayo directly sa /admin, nakukuha natin again is access denied. So ngayon, try natin gamitan nung X-original URL na header, no? So, dagdag natin yung header dito and let's say let's go to /JLearn.ph, no? And tanggalin natin yung admin dito. And let's click send. And we see na not found daw. So, nagbago yung response. So, what if we go to /admin and let's hit send. As you can see, nag-load yung page, no? And if we scroll down, makikita natin na we have the users, Winner and Carlos, no? And to delete the user Carlos, we can go to /admin delete username Carlos, no? So let's just copy this and paste it here. And send the request. So lumabas dito, missing parameter username, no? Kasi hindi tayo pwede magdagdag ng parameter dito sa X-original URL. So ang technique na gagawin natin is ililipat natin to dito sa get, no? And let us send the request again. And see na we get 302 found, and if we visit the lab again, the lab is already solved. No? So I hope na gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.